On top Edo Assembly quarter, Imo State Governor Uzodinma and APC members wan use force take over the house. Now Speaker for Edo Assembly na talk this one. Speaker for Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Frank Okiye, don talk say Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma and other stakeholders for Edo APC wan carry fake mace come take over Edo State House of Assembly. Very early in the morning on Thursday, 6th August 2020, security agents contacted the complex. For the time we say they bring on this story, we never know whether they can stop Governor Uzodinma and other Edo APC, plus the members elect where they won't come use force inaugurate. As Right Honorable Frank Okiye talks, say them they work with the former Deputy Speaker, Honorable Deir, with them impeach. The Speaker, Francis Okiye, and other members of the 7th Assembly waka come the complex to come do check on top the renovation work with the shell for the house. As in talk say na this one make city never the shell for dear since. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and him deputy Right Honorable Philip Shaibu still waka come the house with their party supporters to come check how renovation work that waka reach for there. Now Right Honorable Okiye na brief them on top wetin the shell as he talks say members of the house get power to defend themselves.
I'm happy His Excellency the also says of the rumors, so to say, and they are here. We were inundated with various kind of threat calls last night. If you recall, yesterday in our sitting, we acted on a very reliable intelligence report that the big people from Abuja were coming to invade the house, the sovereignty of this house, and the sacred nature of the hallowed chamber, and we made it clear to the public. Unfortunately, our Deputy Speaker was one of the cohorts that was to be used, and the former Deputy Speaker, and members were not comfortable with that. I mean, I didn't have the control. Members raised the motion that his position, his office must change, and that's what we did yesterday, and we got a new Deputy Speaker. We've not been able to brief His Excellency all of this. So when we couldn't really sleep because of this news, which I'm also sure you are says of, we came in this morning and we saw the presence of the police, saw the crowd. You all are aware that we are doing some renovation here, and for that reason, we relocated to our old chamber. We have an old chamber that we normally would use under emergency, which we are doing. Now, for anybody to think that it can create a government inside a government, I believe all of you know that that will be treasonable in terms of offense, and it will be resisted. It's unacceptable to us. There is a legitimate house which even the court has affirmed. The governor, you can see that this is the legitimacy of a government in the state. So we are not afraid, but the signal must be sent to them that we are the citizens of Edo State. Nobody can come from outside to rule us. Nobody can impose any rule on us. I'm telling you, Your Excellency, that we have the capacity to defend our sovereignty. This is the Edo chamber, and it's not available to us for anybody to invade. You saw the innovation that we are doing, and I'm sure this news and the pressure around scared the contractor, or whatever would have seen them working. So we are here on ground, Your Excellency, just to confirm that the information we worked on yesterday is true to it from what we can see. But we want to reassure you, Your Excellency, that we have the capacity. It is not by our strength, it is but the law of Edo State will be allowed to.
Governor Obaseki can assure Edo Speaker say him go do everything for him constitutional power to make sure say him protects the power of Edo State House of Assembly.
I want to assure you that as the governor of Edo State, I will do all within my constitutional powers to protect sovereignty of your house. Nigeria is governed by laws and the constitution of this country. Mr. President has always insisted that we must follow the rule of law and do things according to law. Nobody in this country is above the constitution of our country. And so, this morning, Mr. Speaker, go about your regular duties as a parliament, the way you deem, and the way the Constitution prescribes. For us as the executive, we will use all the instruments available to us constitutionally to protect you and to protect the state.
This one are the ogbonge informator who carry come governor on top inside Edo today. On top say Edo State House of Assembly Speaker don't talk say Governor Uzodinma and APC members won't use force take over the house with fake mace. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im dey carry this ogbonge update to come sama una. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleyi.